Can you provide a definition for the word woman?
Can I provide a definition? No,
Yeah,
I can't.
you can't?
All right. What you saw was a clip of U.S. Supreme Court Justice Jackson before she was confirmed to serve on the highest court in the land in the United States. And unfortunately, um, just from what I saw of her confirmation hearing before a hearing before Congress, um, before the Senate, it was really apparent to me. You can go back and watch the full video, all of the video of her confirmation hearings, but it was very apparent to me that she is progressive, liberal, whatever term you want to use. But ultimately, to me, we've got a serious situation in the land where basic values of what a woman is, what a man is, that justices judging cases of the most serious nature impacting the whole nation, these justices, for whatever reason, are fearful of saying what a man is, what a woman is. Really, what has come to pass in this country is the progressive, I'm trying to be nice here, the progressive movement has become so strong that many politicians, many judges at the highest level are afraid of offending these people who promote unnatural concepts. It should be apparent that, you know, a woman is an adult person who was born biologically, genetically as a female. Now, why am I putting this on this channel? Well, I want to encourage you, ladies and gentlemen, that when you are considering dating someone, considering a relationship with someone, one of the questions or some of the questions you should be, getting in front of this prospective person that you're going to have a relationship with is where the questions or discussion, whatever word you want to use, you need to really delve into where their head is at regarding these progressive values that have not only permeated, infected the political arena, but I was listening to a visiting minister that was visiting North Carolina on Sunday and speaking at one of the assemblies that I have attended, and he was just outraged, it seems, as to why people would not want this Judge Jackson to sit on the Supreme Court. And he was just pouring on the praise for her as being just so great, so qualified, so good. This is a person who is supposed to be ultimately, number one, an advocate for the Bible and the values of the Bible. And he just couldn't see um, how someone could oppose this Judge Jackson being on the Supreme Court, except for them having immoral or unrighteous reasons for doing so. Basically, to me, here's two things I'm going to tell you. We need to stop, as much as is in our power, this movement of these unnatural um, philosophies, these unnatural ideas that try to pervert, to twist what a man is, what a woman is. We need to pray, we need to live righteously, but we also need to politically really think about who we are supporting. And let me add this. Churches are being infected, even the leadership of churches, with these progressive concepts, or they are just wholeheartedly backing people who have as their primary objective to invoke laws and judgments to promote these perverse ideas. I would say you need to think about where you're attending if you are in a place under leadership that does not understand the importance of the biblical definition of a man and a woman. Uh, I would question what sort of advice they're going to give you if they are leaning toward, they are giving obeisance and praise to people who are steeped. Their top priority is pushing these perverted ideas. Um, and you say, well, some people in the political arena are not really pushing ideas, but hey, if they're making judgments, if they're making laws that promote things that are anti-biblical values, I don't care if you're black or white, uh, or Asian or Latino. If I'm going to vote in the political arena, I'm going to support the person who, they're not necessarily going to be a Christian, but the person who will be the least in the way of Christians' biblical mandate to be a light for righteousness. People that are going to be in the way of that, make judgments, make laws, then they can be black. And if they're going to be in the way, I'm looking for another candidate. Or as a matter of fact, I want to look at all the candidates, regardless of race, and from the beginning, give each one a fair look as to whether they are going to be hurtful to biblical and righteous values, or whether they will at least get out of the way, stay out of the way of those of us who are trying to be a light in this country and a light around the world. So let me end on this. Didn't mean to go so long. Definitely, as you are entering in or considering, as you're considering entering into relationships, you need to do more than understand what their favorite color is and their favorite flavor of ice cream. You need to get into understand where their head is at regarding men and women roles. What is a man? What is a woman? Um, what is a father? What is a mother? Because if you get involved with somebody who has one of these progressive leftist um, anti basic biblical standards of moral behavior and thought, if you get somebody who's opposed to that and you're trying to live a godly, holy life, you are in for a real rough time. All right, let's end on that.